Okay, guys, Gorilla Tag added a new map in the virtual stump. It's called Monkey Magic. So, yeah. I have no clue how to work this, so we're just gonna... Oh, wait. Fix my name. I can't press it. Is it back? Nope. There we go. Alright, now, let's go into public lobby, because I got no clue. I'm gonna ask people for some help, so, let's go.
Oh, what's happening?
Noise.
No!
What if I do like 10?
Nothing's happening.
What if I do 10 bees?
You sure?
2,
I think I'm just getting started.
3,
Oh shoot.
4,
This is about to be so good. Maybe I didn't.
What do I...
Wait, try my potion.
Hey, Orange!
5.
Hi. Hello.
Let me drain my powers. Let me drain my powers. Cause I'm gonna get
Yo.
super power. Why? Like I literally just became Thanos.
Oh, why is there? Oh, it's raining bananas! It's raining bananas! It's raining
I'm
bananas!
making an extra bee potion.
Oh,
Try.
Extra what potion?
Here.
Oh boy.
Cheers.
Take it. And do I look any different? Oh, wait, what's this? Blue rock. Put me down, Lucy. Okay.
Wait, that's...
Before Lucy comes back for me. I'm sorry. Wait,
A flying dog?
Lucy, I'm
What
sorry.
is it?
Lucy, I'm sorry.
Extra bee potion.
Lucy's coming for me. Lucy's coming for me. Yo, no, Lucy, actually, Lucy, Lucy, yo, hold up. Lucy, I'm sorry. Lucy. He's grabbing me. He's grabbing me.
Heavy and rock. Load.
What about,
Put me down, Lucy.
what about extra,
I will fight you.
extra banana?
Sava.
I will destroy you.
Boom.
I feel like it's gonna be
Hello.
this thing. Come here, Lucy. Oh my god.
Hey.
Look it.
How do I get out of here?
Come at me, Lucy.
Oh, wait.
That is what?
Come at me. Come at me. What's up? What's up? Let's try Thunderbolts. I want to try rock. Yeah, can't catch
I'm still laggy.
Plus blood. Oh shoot. Plus eyeball.
Unlock. What am I supposed to do?
Actually no.
Oh, someone just flushed the toilet. Oh, too loud.
Try rock. I think that's good.
This one do.
Dude, I need you to drink this.
I'm about to be clean
It's
Bucky, yo.
extra bananas.
Computer. What does this do?
Yo.
What does it do?
You know I can see.
Computer.
Hey, you wanna know Bucky go?
Oh, it shows this. FPS 31. Why are you stalking me? Why can't I see you? Why are you like invisible kind of? Can't see your arms.
Cause I can't get a potion that makes me invisible!
The
My potion.
seemed like the more I ran, the more FPS I had.
Hey, why you on my base? Why you on my base?
I didn't do nothing. This.
How do you get Don't make me do it.
I'm gonna train this one.
I will explode you. Come on, I will explode
Hand.
you.
What the?
Big hanger.
Oh, you want me? Oh, you want something right now. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
What the? Oh, an eyeball. I got an eyeball.
I'm gonna go save this if I can.
What does the eyeball do? Oh, it makes things dark. That is creepy.
Stop arms. Stop arms.
What if I did just the balloon? Let's see what the balloon.
Excuse me!
Yeah,
What's up?
yeah. Hello. What's up?
I don't care, my babe!
What is it?
Your risk to pay.
Oh, is this it?
So I'm gonna get Shiny rock. Hey.
That one's
And
rock.
thunder. Shiny rock and thunder.
What's
Makes thunder.
wait, what are you have?
Take it.
Bro,
Hey, does anyone know what this is?
it was your risk to take.
Guys, I can float.
Oh.
I want to go
Gotta
Bro,
be super
Hey,
cool
hey,
power.
was any? I just want to know what.
What was that?
Hey, you see it? Hey, you wanna know something?
There's lightning, guys.
Oh, your boss. Oh. Good.
Oh,
Here.
go too far.
Help!
No.
Help me.
Huh, can I stir with this? Nope. Okay. Okay, wait.
I will strike my.
Okay, so maybe I need to
Potion. A really
mix
cool potion.
two. Three.
I will strike lightning. I will strike lightning at you right now. I will strike lightning. What?
I want them back.
Computer
Potion vending machine.
and this. Hand RTX. What's that? Computer.
Yeah, this is not
Fish?
you.
I'm gonna.
Why am I jump height big platforms. Pretty good.
Wait, I feel like the Roblox game. No, this is a low-key Roblox game.
No.
Called Wacky Bananas!
Game almost quit on me.
You went way too fast.
No way.
Hey. Hello. What you doing?
Hi. I'm trying to figure out what the bee does.
I got no clue, bro. I just joined.
Alright.
Where we going?
So slow. Bro, we're sliding.
I don't do the invisible
I
thing.
just found out how to make teleportation.
You did it.
Well, I need-
Get out of my base.
Way too
Oh,
fast.
Ghost? Bro, I need to
And
get
I already
this
forgot to
Mhm.
teleport.
the banana
White
potion. Hand, that makes teleportation.
freedom.
Yes!
Okay. Oh. Yeah. I think I can become fast. What'd you say?
No, it's not ghost.
Why am I lagging?
It's ghost Hey, you wanna see something?
Hey,
You wanna see something?
you stole my.
You wanna know? You really think you can catch me? You can't catch me. I can teleport everywhere I go. Come
Nice.
on, try punching me.
How do you teleport?
Try punching me.
Guys, how do I play this game?
What the?
How do I teleport?
Oh, I forgot to drain it.
You can't catch me. Think you can catch me?
Okay,
Come
now
on.
I see ghosts.
Come on.
I gotta drain it.
I'm not gonna do everything you got. Sight.
I'm gonna mix it with
Can't catch me.
these two. Actually, wait. No, just that for now.
Oh, really? I can't catch you, huh?
I.
Huh, I can't catch you? Yeah,
What's that?
What was the reason I can't catch them? That is...
Yo, we got platforms.
Oh, no, you're gonna catch...
The
Oh, no,
platforms
you're gonna
suck.
catch me. Oh, no, you're gonna catch me.
Oh, I can't catch you.
No.
Trust me.
Okay, I need
I'm gonna
speed.
be so powerful to the point you can't even, that you can't stop me. I'm gonna get so powerful. This is RTX.
Okay, I'll be waiting up here.
Let me see.
No.
So if I spawn in there.
It's ghost with
So-
mixed with TP.
Okay.
This should be
So I need to
that made,
clear all my
that
effects.
made a person that I really scared. That really scares me. What does the fish do?
It should be visible to the skin.
It's fat. Time to make a real
No.
good potion. No, I didn't even make this potion yet. Why? As soon as I made this
Hey.
potion, I should be more powerful.
Like
I am
this
fish.
or
Fish
this?
I am. That board. What does it say? Hey,
Proponent.
I think I'd be able to go faster if I wasn't lagging as much. Oh, we got more. What is this crystal? Ooh, what is it? Is that a disco ball? Speed.
Did
The
you
crystal.
do
this
anything
is super fish. You got a
Wait,
problem?
let me see what it is.
I didn't even
Thunder.
Let me do it. Let me do it again. Maybe it's glitched.
What the?
Maybe add it Ghost then TV. Uh-oh.
Yeah,
I became too powerful.
Oh,
shoot.
I could spawn lightning stuff.
I'm so, bad news. I have too, my gravity's too strong. Wait.
You're supposed to blue?
Oh, alright, so did this one count in there?
Oh, okay, I'm sorry, Lucy.
Okay, yeah, that
I
one.
didn't do. Okay, I
What
have
about
to, I
this
have to go
one?
quick. Okay, Lucy.
Shiny rock.
Combine
Oh my
things
God.
for blue.
Thunder
You're
marker.
so fast.
What's a thunder
You're
marker?
so fast.
Anyway, lightning though.
Ghost plus TV plus something
Oh,
else.
wait, actually,
Oh my
drain
God.
off. Drain off.
I became
Okay.
a little super.
So, I need
add
this
some
one.
I have so many
speed into it.
powers.
So, drain.
Shiny rock.
Oh, hey,
Hey,
hey, gotta go.
Right there. Start.
I just gotta go, alright?
okay.
Okay, drink.
Thunder marker.
By the way, can you tell me?
Yeah. Wait, what'd you say?
Never mind. Gotta go.
You can't catch me.
How do you make
Too
the
fast.
invisibility
Okay.
potion?
Look,
How do you
look,
make the
look, look.
invisibility
Lucy, come here.
potion?
Let me just.
Wait, Blue.
Huh?
Oh, wait, I'm about to get stuck on my own platform. Lucy. Oh, wait, nah. Lucy's too slow.
Okay.
What was that one?
Lucy's too
What was
slow.
that one?
Actually, hold up.
Okay, guys, that's
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
well, the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe.